Good day everyone. I am Emman E. Batoto. I am here to discuss system analysis activities and system requirements. Lesson 1. System analysis activities. System analysis activities entails a systematic process of what the information system can do in order to deliver the desired benefits to the enterprise. To achieve this, a series of organized processes should be done. 1. Gather information. Second, define system requirements. Third, prioritize requirements. Fourth, prototype for feasibility and discovery. 5. Generate and evaluate alternatives. And 6. Review recommendations with management. Gather information is to obtain information, studies and reviews all documents, examines business documents for their past services. 2. Define system requirements. 1. There's a logical model that shows what the system is required to do in detail, and the physical model shows how the system will be implemented. And 3. Prioritize requirement. Determine and verify which functional and technical requirements are most crucial for the system. Analysts and users need to determine which functions are essential and which are relatively necessary but not required. And 4. Prototype for feasibility and discovery. Create a prototype, often called discovery prototype or test run prototype, to understand users' needs better and check the feasibility of particular approaches to the business need. By using sample screens and reports, the analyst can discuss how the system supports the new processes and demonstrate new business procedures for the system. And 5. Generate and evaluate alternatives. Define and evaluate all possibilities in designing, developing the system. Determine the best way to design and develop the system by looking at the prioritized requirements. Other factors to be recognized includes the technology that will be incorporated in the system. Number 6. Review recommendations with management. Recommend a solution and obtain decision from the management. Reviewing recommendations with the management are usually done when all of the analyst activities are complete and almost complete. System requirements. System specifications are comprehensive statements of what the system must do in order to meet the demands and requirements of the stakeholders. There are two requirements: functional requirements and non-functional requirements. There are three layers of requirements. First, the business requirements as the business view, the second requirements as the user's view, and the third requirements is the system requirements as system view. For the functional requirements are functions that the system is expected to perform. And for the non-functional requirements, focuses on users' needs, focuses on users' expectations. There are 5 requirements for the non-functional: technical requirements, performance requirements, usability requirements, reliability requirements, and security requirements. Technical requirements: system should run on desktop PCs and should be compatible with any operating system. Performance requirements: For example, is the system should generate payslip in less than 5 minutes. For the usability requirements, a menu should place on the top. Interface design should include the logo of the company. Those are the sample for usability requirements. For the reliability requirements, sample is a dialog box should prompt when a user inputs a letter instead of a number. For the security requirements, sample is employees are only allowed to view and print payslip, and the business data should not be leaked. Both functional and non-functional requirements are needed to define the full functionality of a new system. These requirements are investigated and documented during system analysis phase. Functional requirements are most often documented in graphical and textual models, while non-functional requirements are documented in the narrative descriptions that accompany requirements are documented in the narrative descriptions that accompany the models. Thank you, and that is all for the discussion of Lesson 1, System Analysis Activities and System Requirements.